Expect to be woken by the roar of a lion at Matla Lodge. Located at a perfect vantage point on the base of an inselberg, this exclusive property for our group is decorated with 6 magnificent cottages. There is something magical about stepping foot inside the central lounge, flanked by a conference area for photographic learning, kitchen and an outside lunch and dinner table, and a luxurious sofa for that incredible view of wildlife coming to the waterhole of a lodge. Each of the expansive rooms features a comfortable twin or a double bed depending on the requirement, a sitting area, flush toilets and an open shower with view that many lodges would be envious of. A small but well-maintained swimming pool, elevated wooden walkways for accessing rooms, and a quiet, serene environment is to be seen to be believed. Join me for the August 2025 safari at Madikwe, Matla Lodge, an experience you certainly will cherish for the lifetime.